This is an updated video in which I'm going to show you some official and unofficial compatible or alternative software to make Windows Vista suitable for daily use in 2026. Windows Vista is an outdated operating system. It stopped receiving official updates a while ago, so simply be careful when using it. This is a fresh install of Windows Vista Ultimate with Service Pack 2 installed. These are the essentials that I'm going to install: 7-zip, WinRAR, Legacy Update, Visual C++ Redistributable 2015 to 2019, and .NET Framework 4.5. 7-zip will install and run directly. The latest 32-bit version is compatible. The same for WinRAR, the latest 32-bit version is also compatible. I'll also install Visual C++ Redistributable 2015 to 2019, which is the last compatible version of Visual C++ on Vista. .NET Framework is also essential to run newer desktop programs, or else you'll get missing DLL file errors when running certain programs. Legacy Update replaces Windows Update and will allow you to install updates and patches for Windows Vista. You can use Internet Explorer to access the website and install it directly. It'll reboot multiple times to complete the installation. After it's done installing, it'll use Internet Explorer to check and install updates. I've chosen two web browsers: Supermium if you like a Chromium-based browser, and Redfox if you like Firefox-based browser. Official Chrome and Mozilla Firefox are not compatible anymore, so these two are the best alternatives in my opinion. Both of the browsers shown in this video run natively on Vista, and they'll most likely receive more updates in the future. This is the HTML5 score of Supermium. Supermium and Redfox come in installers, or portable versions. I'm using portable versions in this video, so it's up to you. This is the HTML5 score of Redfox. LibreOffice and OnlyOffice are the best Microsoft Office alternatives for Windows Vista in my opinion. LibreOffice is a very common Office alternative. The latest 32-bit version is not compatible. I'm using version 5.4.7.2. LibreOffice comes with document, spreadsheet, presentation, draw, math formula, and database editors. This is OnlyOffice. The latest 32-bit version for Vista is supported, and it's available on the official website. OnlyOffice comes with document, spreadsheet, presentation, and PDF file editors. I've included Notepad++ as an advanced text editor. I'm using version 8.4.6, which is the last compatible one. VLC is a well-known multimedia player, especially on old Windows versions. Adless Protect or RogueKiller is a malware removal tool. The latest 32-bit version of VLC is compatible with Windows Vista. Since most of new antivirus software aren't compatible with Vista, I went with a lightweight alternative. Adless Protect or RogueKiller is an anti-malware tool that scans and removes malware. It comes in a portable version that runs directly without installing it. The free plan allows it to perform scans, detect, and remove malware. That's pretty much it for Windows Vista. Even though it was pretty limited when it comes to software support, but still, it can be used as a daily driver with modern software.